family needs this extremely convenient, high quality travel first aid kit from Keep Going. I was just gifted this and I am so thrilled with this first aid kit. To start off with, I have reviewed a lot of kits and so many of them come poorly packaged. They don't have a good zipper, they only last for a little while before they fall apart, and they definitely don't look this good. This has a wonderful handle that you can clip or unclip. It looks so cute, so you can hook it to your stroller, in your purse, wherever you want it. And since this is such a high quality bag, you can refill it as needed as you start using it. But to start off with, it comes with everything you want, wonderfully organized, ready to go. Let me show you exactly what you get in this incredible first aid kit. Now, I really can't get over the high quality detailing on the exterior and the fact that you can pick this in so many different patterns to best fit you. And then when you unzip it, you really do start with everything you need in here. In the front flip pockets, you have your Band-Aids, some triple antibiotic, your non-sting cleansing wipes, alcohol prep pads, and sting relief pads, more antibiotic, some lip balm, hydrocortisone, burn gel, and when it comes to the bandages, you can see that they are in different sizes on first glance here. And then if you need those unique bandages, they are all right here. You get some butterfly closures, a couple fingertip bandages, knuckle bandages, and some gauze pads. Now in the back pocket, you get nosebleed plugs, the tape that's particularly helpful for those gauze pads, a disposable thermometer, even more bandages for specific uses, including some moleskin, and a fantastic guide. So if you don't know what you're dealing with, this will give you those really quick points on how to deal with the most common issues you may come across. And then in the front zipper compartment, you get some items that may be beyond first aid but are really helpful, like a mini sewing kit, some safety pins, and cotton tip applicators, along with a tick remover and splinter removers. And finally, a finger splint, some stainless steel scissors, and some tweezers. And there is plenty of room in this bag to add anything else you think you need. And also, all of these do have expiration dates on them. It's hard to read, but this is going to expire in March of 2027. So that's great to know. And these are also high quality products. These aren't just some terrible bandages. These are fabric bandages. They're very easy to peel open, very clean to apply. And while they can stay in an awkward spot like my joint here where I have it stretching each time, these aren't going to cause tears. They actually peel off really nicely. They're a really great adhesive for kids. So whether you're about to travel or are just looking for a fantastic first aid kit you can rely on to put in your car, stroller, or bag, this is the one. Keep Going Travel is going to have you covered. I highly recommend this and know you're going to put it to good use.